Netcare says although its numbers are looking better, it's yet to return to pre-pandemic performance. The group says the number of patients that occupied their beds were 13.6% lower during this reporting period as patients postponed scheduled medical procedures. During this time, more than 73,000 COVID-19 patients were treated at Netcare facilities across the country.
The fact that we had very high numbers of COVID-19 cases throughout South Africa curtailed the amount of elective surgery that we could do in our hospitals. Now, with most of our workers being vaccinated, most of our doctors and staff being vaccinated, we think in many ways the hospital environment is a lot safer and they're going to feel a lot more comfortable about operating notwithstanding background COVID, in other words, cases of COVID coming in to the hospital.
The Netcare group lost 76 health workers since the outbreak of the pandemic.
We had a lot more people that were infected by this virus and obviously had an impact on their loved ones and families. So healthcare workers across the public and private sector in South Africa and indeed globally have paid an enormous price in fulfilling their cause and their purpose.
As part of its capital expenditure, the group plans to build 3 more mental health clinics by 2022.
We will be opening 3 facilities, one in northern KwaZulu-Natal, one in the Eastern Cape, and one in Polokwane, because there is a huge demand for adequate treatment facilities for people suffering from mental health.
Friedland says the group will be creating a new and more affordable cover to target those without medical insurance to access private health care.
Within the private healthcare space, we want to make it more affordable to access facilities such as Netcare. And we also want to make it simple. We want people to literally be able to buy a product in 5 minutes and be able to utilize it with no additional hidden costs. If it costs 300 Rand, that is the cost of the product and nothing more. And so we've put fixed procedures like cataract operation or other operations. You pay a fixed price and that's what you can get at a Netcare facility. There are also GP vouchers and we'll be launching dental vouchers as well.
With the second phase of the vaccination now in full swing, Netcare says it will be making available 30 of its facilities as vaccination centres. Diabo Seto, SABC News, Johannesburg.